Thank you for scheduling your service with Sunnyside Toyota. It's almost time for your appointment, and we'd like to take a moment to get you familiar with our service center before you arrive. Our service center is located at 27,000 Lorraine Road in North Olmsted and is open 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday and 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturday. When you arrive, you will find the service center entrance on the east side of our dealership. Simply pull into the right side of the service lane and the doors will automatically open. Once inside, you'll be greeted by one of our friendly lane attendants. While we work on your vehicle, make use of our guest lounge, which has several amenities to make you feel right at home. If you choose not to wait, we have a courtesy shuttle and rental car options available on site. If you're bringing your vehicle after hours, we have a drop box that is located right next to the service lane with easy-to-follow instructions inside. If you have any questions, please call us at 440-777-9911. We look forward to seeing you and thank you again for your business.